If the past is any guide for predicting future events, credit risk prediction using machine learning is an excellent technique for credit risk management. Hi, and welcome to AI Surge. My name is Laura. I'm a data scientist at AI Surge, and I will help you master some basics of the credit risk modeling field. The area of credit risk modeling is all about the event of loan default. When a bank runs a loan to a borrower, an individual, or a company, the bank will usually transfer the entire loan amount to a borrower. The borrower will then reimburse this amount in smaller chunks, including interest payments over time. Usually, these payments happen monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Of course, there is a particular risk that a borrower will not be able to reimburse this loan fully. This results in a loss for the bank. The expected loss a bank will incur is composed of three elements. The first element is the probability of default, which is the probability that the borrower will fail to repay the loan entirely. The second element is the exposure at default, or EAD, which is the expected value of the loan. At the time of default, you can also look at this as the amount of the loan that still needs to be repaid at the time of default. The third element is loss given default, which is the amount of the loss. If the default is expressed as a percentage of the EAD multiplying, these three elements lead to the expected loss formula. In this demo, we will focus on the probability of default. AI Surge is a no-code ModelOps platform, solving the most critical data analytics challenge in moving organizations' AI predictive projects from proof of concept to production maturity without a single line of code. Challenges with traditional systems. Data silos and data overload lead to an incomplete view of risks. Finding the right technical talent. Lack of infrastructure scalability. Manual and inefficient deployment of AI model. Let's see how these challenges could be addressed using AI Surge. For an overview of the data structure, we are using AI Surge View Data Window. In this dataset, every single row is a customer who has previously applied for a loan, and every column says something about them, like age, their income, a loan intended for, amount of loan asked, and whether the underwriter has approved the loan or not. This is a historical dataset, and now we wanted to use this dataset to build a predictive model that can predict future customer applications automatically. Using AI Surge, everyone can build their machine learning models in minutes. Once the model is built using your dataset, the result is shown on our exploratory AI dashboard. The dashboard has 4 sections. Allow me to explain each. On the left top is the summary section of your model. That helps you understand the basics of model accuracy and details on feature sets used for prediction. On the right top is our AI equity storytelling for confusion matrix generated by your model. As the name suggests, the confusion matrix is confusing to most of us, except for statisticians, hence we made it easy with storytelling. Below model summary and AI equity sections, we have an exploratory data section, where you can compare all different features with the predictive column. Finally, we have a total prediction section that helps you understand how accurate your previous decision had been. This is your historical loan status column, captured after the loan has defaulted. Just before that is the model predicted column, that talks about the probability of how accurate your past decision has been. Interestingly, total prediction allows you to identify those customers that might have the probability of repaying your loan, helping in your lead conversion. Using this model, you could predict future customers. Example, I am carrying out a single customer prediction. By providing the feature set details automatically, the model has identified. Upon submitting the details, the model would result in the prediction of the customer being defaulted or not. It's that simple and fast, without the need to have writing a single line of code. You could use our platform to make multiple customer predictions, or automate this using our open API. The AI dashboard allows you to retrain the model manually, Or you could deploy your model and make it production ready by enabling our self-learning button. This allows your model to learn in real-time data and improve its accuracy over a period of time. AI model is as good as your data. Our system notifies you as soon as the health score of your dataset has been compromised, every time refreshed data has been processed. The system also monitors your source data quality. Using our automated data profiling, visually understand the status of your data as it's been processed. Data lineage is a powerful tool that allows you to assist in your impact analysis. Bird's eye view on how data has been used in your AI models. Finally, monitor your AI orchestration. Discover unexpected growth opportunities with no-code AI. You know what has happened. Now you'll know what will happen. Keep predicting with AI Surge.